Hello and welcome to today's video where we are going over the top 5 vlogging cameras for 2024. If at any point you want to purchase one of these vlogging cameras, there will be links down in the description to do so. Now, these are affiliate links and they do help support the channel. So if you do end up using those links to purchase, we thank you so much in advance. First on our list, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the ultimate vlogging camera. So if you're on the hunt for a vlogging camera that delivers professional quality with the convenience of a pocket-sized design, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is going to be an excellent choice. Packed with cutting-edge features, this camera is designed to enhance your content creation without the bulk of traditional camera equipment. It has superior video quality. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 stands out with its 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures 4K video up to 120 frames per second. So whether you're filming the vibrant colors of a sunset or the fast-paced action of urban life, the clarity and detail are nothing short of stunning. The ability to capture slow motion footage adds a dramatic flair to your videos, making it perfect for capturing every detail of dynamic scenes. Steady and smooth. Say goodbye to shaky footage thanks to the Osmo Pocket 3's advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization. This feature ensures that your videos are smooth and professional, even when you're on the move. It's ideal for walking shots, adventure vlogs, or any scenario where stability is key. Intuitive and versatile display. The 2-inch rotatable touchscreen offers flexibility for both horizontal and vertical shooting, making it great for everything from traditional landscape vlogs to portrait-style social media posts. The touch interface is user-friendly, allowing you to change settings and frame your shots quickly and efficiently. Smart tracking and focus. Active Track 6.0 technology lets the camera automatically track your face or a subject of choice, keeping it in focus and perfectly framed. This feature is incredibly useful for solo content creators who need to stay in the shot without manually adjusting the camera. Enhanced audio and color options. Audio quality is paramount when it comes to vlogging, and the Osmo Pocket 3 doesn't disappoint. It offers stereo recording, ensuring that your sound is as clear as your visuals. For those who love the post-production process and color grading, the availability of D-Log M color profile allows for up to 1 billion colors, providing incredible depth and flexibility when it comes to editing. Compact and portable. One of the biggest advantages of the Osmo Pocket 3 is its size. Easily fitting into your pocket or a small bag, this camera can go anywhere you go, making it an excellent choice for travel vloggers or those always on the go. Next, we have the Sony ZV-E1 Mark II vlog camera, a powerhouse for content creators. It's designed specifically with vloggers in mind, and this camera combines high-quality video and audio capabilities with user-friendly features. It's got a versatile lens and sensor. The Sony ZV-E1 Mark II is equipped with an ultra-wide 18 to 50 millimeter zoom lens, which is perfect for capturing everything from expansive landscapes to intimate close-ups. The large 1.0 type sensor ensures that your footage remains crisp and clear, even in low-light conditions, offering professional results that elevate your content above the typical smartphone. Professional background defocus and bokeh. With a wide aperture range of f1.8 to f4.0, the ZV-E1 Mark II allows for beautifully defocused backgrounds, adding a cinematic quality to your videos. This feature is ideal for emphasizing the subject in the foreground while smoothly blurring out distracting elements in the background. Superior audio quality. Audio is just as important as video in vlogging, and the Sony ZV-E1 Mark II does not disappoint. It features a directional 3-capsule mic and includes a windscreen accessory to reduce noise interference. This setup ensures that your voice is captured clearly, whether you're shooting indoors or out in the field, focused on you. Stay the center of attention with the Sony ZV-E1 Mark II's real-time autofocus tracking and eye autofocus. These technologies keep you sharply in focus even when moving, making it perfect for dynamic shooting scenarios where you need to be free to express yourself without worrying about the technical details. Built for vloggers, the ZV-E1 Mark II is thoughtfully designed with content creators in mind. Its compact size makes it incredibly portable, and the flip screen allows for easy framing of shots, ensuring that you are always in view when you're addressing your audience. The touchscreen functionality makes it simple to adjust settings on the fly so that you can focus more on your content and less on the camera. Connectivity and expansion. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity allow for easy sharing and remote control, which can be crucial when you're working solo. The camera's features can be expanded with additional accessories like external mics and tripods, which are sold separately, providing flexibility as your vlogging needs evolve. Next, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 full-frame interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera. This full-frame mirrorless camera combines high-end video capabilities with user-centric features, making it a standout choice for serious videographers. Exceptional image quality with full-frame sensor. Equipped with a 12.1 megapixel X4 sensor, the ZV-E1 is designed for superb 4K video recording, offering excellent sensitivity and speed. The large sensor ensures that you get that cinematic bokeh and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions, making it perfect for dynamic shooting scenarios. Advanced video features. The ZV-E1 supports 10-bit 422 recording with options for long GOP or all intra formats, allowing for high quality video capture that's ideal for detailed post-production work. So whether you're shooting vlogs or cinematic footage, this camera offers the flexibility and quality needed to produce standout content. Cinematic vlog setting. Create compelling movie-like footage with ease using the cinematic vlog setting. Choose from various looks and moods to match the scene's aesthetic of your creative vision. The camera's ability to shoot in a CinemaScope aspect ratio adds a professional touch to your videos, making your content look like it was shot on a much more expensive setup. Stabilization and autofocus. With 5-axis in-body image stabilization and dynamic active mode, the ZV-E1 provides remarkably stable footage even when you're on the move. Its dedicated AI processor and real-time recognition ensures accurate subject tracking, keeping your focus sharp and your subjects perfectly framed no matter the action. Designed for creators. The ZV-E1 is intuitively designed with creators in mind, featuring an easy-to-navigate interface and direct access to settings that matter most. Its compact size makes it highly portable, ideal for creators who are always on the go. Connectivity for easy sharing. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, sharing your creations or streaming live is simpler than ever. The ZV-E1 integrates seamlessly with various devices, allowing you to maintain a smooth workflow whether you're in the studio or out in the field. Next, we have the Insta360 X4 waterproof 8K 360 action camera. This compact yet powerful camera is designed to capture every angle and detail of your experiences, whether you're engaging in extreme sports or exploring scenic landscapes. Superior video quality. Delivering breathtaking 8K resolution, the Insta360 X4 allows you to relive your adventures with vivid clarity and stunning detail. Its ability to shoot 360-degree videos ensure no moment is left uncaptured, offering a full immersive viewing experience. Dual mode functionality. Beyond its 360-degree capabilities, the X4 can also operate as a traditional 4K wide-angled action camera. This flexibility is perfect for when you need focused, high-resolution footage or expansive 170-degree views at 4K 30 frames per second, making it versatile for all types of content creation. Advanced stabilization and AI editing. With flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock, the X4 guarantees smooth, stabilized footage even in the most action-packed scenarios. The camera's AI editing tools further simplify post-production, allowing for easy reframing and editing within the Insta360 app. It's rugged and ready for adventure. Designed to endure, the X4 is built to withstand the elements. It's waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters without a case, and its cold resistance technology ensures that it operates smoothly in extreme weather conditions, making it ideal for winter sports or underwater adventures. Innovative design features. The X4 includes removable lens guards to protect against scratches and impacts during intense activities. Its intuitive touchscreen interface and user-friendly controls make it easy to adjust settings on the go, ensuring that you never miss a shot. Long battery life and seamless connectivity. With an extended battery life, the X4 is ready for prolonged sessions of filming, ensuring that you can capture more of your adventures without interruption. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow for quick file transfers and remote camera control, enhancing its usability in the field. And lastly, we have the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, the ultimate vlogging smartphone. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max isn't just a smartphone. It's a powerful vlogging camera that fits right in your pocket. They always say the best camera is the one that you have on you. With its advanced camera system and professional grade video capabilities, this device is perfect for content creators who want to capture high quality footage on the go. Exceptional video quality. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supports 4K video recording at various frame rates, including 24 frames per second, 25 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and 60 frames per second. For those who need full HD, it also records 1080p videos at 25, 30, and 60 frames per second, as well as at 720p for 30 frames per second. The cinematic mode allows for stunning 4K HDR videos at 30 frames per second. For action-packed scenes, the action mode captures smooth footage at 2.8K at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every detail is crisp and clear. Advanced stabilization. One of the standout features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is its second generation sensor shift optical image stabilization. This technology ensures that your videos remain steady even when you're on the move. Whether you're walking, running, or capturing dynamic scenes, the stabilization in the iPhone 15 Pro Max keeps your footage smooth and professional looking. Additionally, the 3D sensor shift optical image stabilization and autofocus for the 5x telephoto lens enhance stability and clarity, making it easier to capture sharp, high-quality videos. Professional log footage. For vloggers who love the post-production work, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers log video recording. This feature provides greater flexibility in color grading and editing, allowing you to achieve the perfect look for your vlogs. Combined with the Academy color encoding system, you get more control over the visual aesthetics, making your content truly stand out. Macro and slow-mo capabilities. The iPhone 15 Pro Max excels in macro video recording, which is perfect for capturing intricate details up close. It also supports slow-mo video recording at 1080p resolution with frame rates of 120 frames per second or 240 frames per second, adding a dramatic effect to your content. Whether it's a slow motion close-up of nature or an action-packed sequence, this device handles it effortlessly. Seamless integration and easy sharing. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supports various video formats, including HEVC, H.264, and ProRes, making it easy to edit and share your videos across different platforms. The Quick Take video feature allows for spontaneous recording, ensuring you never miss a moment. Well, there you have it. These are the top 5 vlogging cameras in 2024. Again, we will leave links below to all the products that we went over today, and if you use any of them, we will receive a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. And that just supports the channel so that we can keep creating free content just like this. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more, because here on this channel, we go over the best deals for all different types of products that we find out there on the internet. Other than that, thank you for your time, and we will see you here in the next video.